So we're in a apartment building which is probably 120 years old, and my guess is it's in its original form. Pick up these railings. Oh wow. What's up, y'all? This is Sigon, Russia, and my exploration in Tver continues. I decided not to go to do some tourist stuff, which I've done already though, but I actually found out about these 3 living houses, apartment houses. They are historical, but they are not of any sorts of tourist location at all. These are actually places where people live. This is Proletarsky region of Tver. The city divides into 4. Proletarsky refers to workers' place. So as you can see, here's some beautiful buildings right in front of us even. Some Soviet era playground, I think it is. So welcome to Igor in Russia. I'm a foreigner traveling from Europe, well, EU. Russia is Europe, but now you're gonna see something else. You're gonna see a time capsule into past, I believe. I will try to be respectful. I'm going to people live there, you know. So guys, join in and let's go, and I hope I won't get in trouble. This is an exploration into Soviet past. I'm gonna check out this place from outside quickly, and then I hope I can get in somehow. Oh my God, this is like yeah, check it out. There's some plaques over here as well. It says in this house in 1922. So this is from the early. This house is from the early 20th century, 1921. Герой Советского Союза, летчик-истребитель, a person who was a fighter pilot. Stepanov Arsenij Ivanovich. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. This is a good one, продукты. But then you have, of course, signs of well, you can see it's 100-year-old. Let's check out the other side quickly, guys. Check out this whoa, how old is this? The metal is peeling off. I think we should go and check out this place from the inside. A little bit worried because this is not a tourist location. They might think I'm disrespecting their house or showing, like, you know, trolling, but I'm actually paying respects. I just love old buildings. Guys, this is time capsule into a Soviet past. And I'm gonna actually... Alright, no domophones, no nothing. Oh my God. It's amazing, guys. What the hell? Absolutely amazing. Alright, let's explore, guys. Let's explore this early 20th century building. And notice people live here, so I don't want to bother them too much. This is a lift that is not working anymore. God. there's holes in the. There is holes in the on the floor. Вы знаете, какого года этот дом?
Ой, ну, 100 с лишним лет. Не
Да,
знаю.
точно.
Читала и забыла.
Ага.
Может, 120, а может и...
Что?
Это казармы военные.
А, это казармы, да?
Бывшие военные казармы.
Да, так и похоже было. Я подумал, просто пишут про там отдельный дом казармов, не помню где там на.
А, на Пролетарке.
Да, вот.
Их всех выселили, повезло.
Да.
Угу. Не знаю, развалится, якобы будет город, это там что-то какое-то.
Им надо это сохранить и просто реновацию сделать, но они не будут, наверное, это слишком дорого.
Я сама приезжая, я
Ну.
из Казахстана.
А,
Нам очень нравилось, да, из Караганды, родилась там. И дело в том, что нам сейчас вот там ремонт сделали такой. Все домоуправления никогда не делали ремонта, и стояки текли. Там все так, как сейчас, плиточка зашли, потолок зашли, ванны, раковины, все чисто.
вот вы.
В комнатах, конечно, у всех свои ремонты хорошие. Коридор не делали, и вот это. Начали штукатурить нам. И сегодня одно живо, завтра другое, обслуживающая организация.
Ну.
Никому делать. И это уже полгода прошло все это.
И не доделают, что ли?
Не доделали. Потому что все уже нормально съехали.
Про Тверь хочу спросить. Я только плохое слышу. Приехала, и никто не хвалит. Тут люди не любят свой город или что?
Нет, вы знаете как?
Или сейчас зима просто?
Вам не хвалят, видно, приезжие. Они не в смысле...
Да, приезжие, кстати.
Да? Да. Они не город говорят, а просто... Ну и город, конечно. Такие права и такие, ой, боже мой, нарушения здесь вообще, ну бог с ним. Люди очень другие.
Да.
Они злые почему-то.
Вот. Я, кстати, я заметил тоже.
Очень злые. Ну и вот. И что хочу сказать. Я им так говорю, когда я разозлюсь, я же тоже живой человек, я же тоже не идеальный. Я говорю, слушайте, вы живете возле Запада. Вы посмотрите, как люди живут и жили. Вся Европа, да? Почему вы по ним не равняетесь? Стоят толстые, наглые. Вот здесь вот как будто свеклой намазано, сигареты, всякими сигаретами. Что если ты сигарет? Надо, чтобы тут было, вот тут было, на тебе было, и сигареты шикарно. Но только не вы. Чудо в перьях, да и только. Я вот так могу высказаться, да.
Удачи вам.
Да.
Все, спасибо.
Спасибо большое, всего доброго.
Здравствуйте. So we actually met somebody local, and I'm gonna probably edit some parts of the video right here with her speaking her mind. The full video is gonna be separate. But these people made their own adjustments. They made like storage rooms here. But this is awesome, guys. Oh wow. It's such a shame that this is all going to get worse and worse and worse before it just, in some time, probably just gets destroyed. Oh wow. This is awesome, guys. So we are actually we're in a apartment building which is probably 120 years old, and my guess is it's in its original form, except that during the Soviet times they made these elevators here, which are I don't know how long not in use, probably from the 90s. And these windows are typical Soviet things from this, I think, 70s. And according to them, to the local lady that like typically in Russia, the inside of the building is totally renovated, everything is new, and houses are nice, but from the outside it looks like this. Historically valuable, but I don't know what to think. There's even a broken window here, and one of the windows is just covered like this. I guess it helps. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This one is here. It's cool. I don't know what for is it. What is it for? Check out these railings. Oh wow, that's an awesome view, guys. And check out all this, guys. What the hell is going on? There's like spider webs. Alright, moving out, guys. Whoa. Wow, what an epic experience. I'm gonna go take a look to the third one in case it has something else and more to see. I could have asked the lady to let us in, but I think I've exceeded my invitation. Alright, let's check out quickly the third one. The third one over here. Oh, the door is off. They have a domophone, or is it? Wow, check out this. The epic old Soviet floor. This has not been in use for how long? I don't know. It's literally the same as the one before. Let's check out if there's some details that I missed that they have especially here. Whoa, this is epic, guys. This actually has this type of a, this maybe had like a gate, closed gate before, so that people couldn't come from the outside without permission, right? All right, and they have actually some metal gates here. Beautiful railings, guys, beautiful. And this is in much better shape over here. All right, going out. So guys, this was an epic visit to older than Soviet era buildings. This was an apartment buildings here on Ulica Spartak. And speaking of Spartak, I didn't even notice it. I have the Spartak football team Spartak hat. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the Proletarsky region, infamous Proletarsky region of Tver, city of Tver. Please subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the like button. See you guys in the another video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching another of my videos. Make sure to check out the places that you're interested in with the link in the description. There's an interactive Google Maps that you can use to find another places all around the world. Go check it out on a browser. Also, if you want to support, there's a link in the description to my store, distribution all across the world. Thanks for watching, and leave a like, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.